Hello friends, welcome to my channel Liberal Classes. In this video, we will learn about lakes in India. What is lake? Lake is a beautiful area filled with water. Lakes are classified into two kinds, freshwater lake and saltwater lake. Almost all the saltwater lakes are natural. But when it comes to freshwater lake, they can be natural and man-made. When we talk about natural freshwater lake, they can be classified as glacial, tectonic, crater and oxbow lakes. On the other hand, the man-made lakes are mainly reservoirs of the dams. Sometimes lakes is created by building up embankment. The lakes of India are as follows. The first saltwater lake in India is Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is largest saltwater lake of India. The water is brackish. This lake is lagoon. Lagoon means small body of water which is separated from large body of water by a thin strip of land. This lake is separated from Bay of Bengal by thin strip of land. This lake is spread over districts of Puri, Khurda and Ganjam in Odisha, and it lies at mouth of river Daya. Chilka Lake is also home for only known population of Irrawaddy dolphins in India. Then comes Pulicat Lake. It is the second largest saline water lake in India, and it lies at border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and even the lake is lagoon. Then we come to Kerala. Here we have Vidamban Lake. It is the longest blackish water lake in India and largest lake in state of Kerala. Then we come to Maharashtra. Here we have Lonar Lake. This is a saltwater lake. It is actually a crater lake and it lies in the Buldana district of Maharashtra. Crater lakes form whenever there is fall of meteor. It is National Geoheritage Monument of India. It is both saline and alkaline in nature and is famous for wide range of plants and animals. Next is Sambhal Lake. It is the largest inland saltwater lake in India. It is natural lake and extensive saline wetland. It is designated as Ramsar site due to thousands of pink flamingos and waterfall birds. This lake receives water from 5 rivers: Meghta, Samod, Manta, Rupnagar, Khari and Khandela. Now next is Panchpadra Lake in Rajasthan. It is again a saltwater lake. It lies near Panchpadra village and it is the one of the most famous attraction of Parmer and attracts migratory birds in India. Next is Pangong Lake of Ladakh. It is a saltwater lake situated at height of Himalayas. Lake is important breeding ground for again the variety of birds. Now we come to artificial lakes. The first man-made lake is Govind Sagar Lake. It is reservoir situated in the Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh and is formed by Parkhara Dam. So it is artificial freshwater lake in Himachal Pradesh and built on the river Satluj. The next lake is Indrasagar Lake. It is second largest freshwater lake in India. It is built on Indrasagar Dam on the river Narmada. It lies in the state of Madhya Pradesh and is named after late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The next is Sardar Sarovar Lake. It is freshwater lake built on river Narmada on Sardar Sarovar Dam. It provides water to 4 states, that is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Next is Shivaji Sagar Lake in Maharashtra. It is largest artificial freshwater lake in India. It is water reservoir built on Koyna Dam. It is on Koyna River. It is near Mahabaleshwar. Then it is Nath Sagar. It is built on Jokodi Dam and Jokodi Dam is fed by river Godavari and Tavra. Then it is Naga Arjun Sagar Lake. It is freshwater reservoir formed by Naga Arjun Sagar Dam. It is built on river Krishna in Andhra Pradesh. Then it is Dehbal Lake. It is located in Udaipur district of Rajasthan. It is one of the oldest freshwater lake built on 17th century. It gets its water from Gomti river. Then it is Bhopal Lake. Here there are 2 lakes, Upper Lake and Lower Lake. Upper lake is known as Bhojtal Lake. Then next is Vular Lake. It is the largest natural freshwater lake in India and it receives water from Jhelum River. It is formed by tectonic activity, so it is tectonic lake. Next is Dal Lake. It lies in Srinagar. Actually, Srinagar is surrounding Dal Lake. It is a glacial lake. What is meaning of glacier? Glacier is a huge mass of moving ice. Now, these lakes are formed when glacier erodes the land and then melts. Now, we have Loktak Lake in Manipur. It is largest freshwater lake in northeastern part of India. It is famous for Fumdis. Fumdis are floating islands. They are made up of heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil and organic matter. In the floating island, we have Keibul Lamjo National Park. It is only floating national park in the world and is famous for Sagai deers. Next is Koleru Lake. It is in Andhra Pradesh. It is Asia's largest shallow freshwater lake. This lake also has island named Kolti Kota. Next is Kanwar Lake. It is located in Dingsura district of Bihar and it is Asia's largest freshwater lake. And this place became bird sanctuary, Kanwar Bird Sanctuary. Next is Verinag Lake. It is an Anantnag district in Jammu and Kashmir. It is major tourist attraction place in Verinag Spring. It is also known as Satisara or Lake of Parvati. Next is Manasbal Lake. It is located in Ganderbal district in Jammu and Kashmir. Manasbal is said to be derivative of Lake Mansarovar. It is one of the largest natural stamping grounds of aquatic birds. Next is Nigin Lake. It is located in Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. It is sometimes considered part of Dal Lake. Next is Sheshnag Lake. This lake is situated at tract leading to Amarnath cave. Next is Rajsamand Lake. It is near town Rajsamand in Indian state of Rajasthan. It was built in year 1660 by Rana Raj Singh. It is built across Gomti, Kelwa and Tali rivers. Next is Pichola Lake. It is situated in Udaipur city in Indian state of Rajasthan. It is artificial freshwater lake. Now next we move on to Fateh Sagar Lake. It is situated near city of Udaipur in the Indian state of Rajasthan. It is artificial lake named after Maharana Fateh Singh of Udaipur. Now next is Didwana Lake. It is in Rajasthan. The Lion Gateway of Marwar in Rajasthan and archway in Shekhawati known as Abhanagri and Upakshi. Next is Sattal Lake in Uttarakhand. Sattal is interconnected group of 7 freshwater lakes situated in lower Himalayan range near Bhimtal, a town of Nainital district in Uttarakhand. Next is Nainital Lake. It is in Uttarakhand. It is also known as Naini Lake and a natural freshwater body. Next is Ashtamudi Lake. It is a Kollam district of Indian state of Kerala. It is almost visited backwater lake. Next is Periyar Lake. It is in Kerala. Periyar is the longest river and the river with the largest discharge potential in India in state of Kerala. It is utmost significance to economy of Kerala. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video so that you get the latest updates.